What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change your Steam region to Argentina, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you want to access some games which are restricted in your region but are allowed in Argentina, these are the steps you need to take. So we done a couple similar tutorials on how to set up your VPN and so on, so make sure to check them out. But if you want to change the Steam region to Argentina, these are the steps you need to do. Download and install a VPN. One of the safest ones online is of course NordVPN, so make sure to check it out, but of course you can select whatever you want. Connect to a VPN server in Argentina. Basically you can find it by scrolling or just type in Argentina and link to the best server. Go to the Steam store and add a game to your shopping cart. In update store country, choose a country to match your VPN server location and enter a new billing address and just click apply country change. Guys, keep in mind that Steam allows you to change your store region and currency once every 3 months. Changing your Steam store region requires a billing address for that region, so before you do that, find some friends who are willing to share their addresses and zip code with you for this purpose, otherwise you won't be able to buy the game. And of course you need to use a Russian credit card to top up your Steam wallet while in Russia, basically, or Argentinian credit card to top up your Steam wallet while in Argentina. And when choosing a VPN to use with Steam, take into account whether the provider has services in your desired countries, how fast and secure are the encryption protocols, and if there are any bandwidth limitations. So guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to change your country to Argentina in Steam. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.